Hi everyone, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the link below. We're gonna get a little crafty. Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little tired. I did not put makeup on, so I don't even care. I am sitting weird because I'm gonna put a bunch of stuff over here. This is the space. I'm gonna show stuff to you. So the reason I'm so tired is I had meant to have like these really great projects for this video and for Tuesday's video. And then my Hashimoto's went, "You're gonna what?" Silly puppy. And I have literally been crashing at like 7 o'clock at night. Well, no, it was 4 o'clock the other day, and I slept till 7:30, got up and ate something. That's what woke me up. I was hungry and went back to bed till the next day. I don't know what to tell you. It was picket fence this week, and it took every last bit of my energy. I just couldn't do it. So today we're going to do a dollar store craft, and let me be clear, this is not a Dollar Tree craft. I'm going to make this over, and I got this at Dollar General, not Dollar Tree. You don't want to see my coffee cup back there. So don't call me and tell me you didn't see it at Dollar Tree. It's Dollar General. I got this little Christmas door at Dollar General. I don't know where the image is going to be. And originally I was just going to glue some Scrabble tiles over that Noel and redo the wreath and hang it up. And then it started to bother me. Y'all, I know this is a first world problem. I am aware of the fact that this is a first world problem. It really bothered me that the hanger on it is red, and the wreath is, all the decorations are green, and the ribbon is green, and the door is turquoise. It bothered me. So I am now going to even replace the ribbon and the banner. So I've already glued the Noel down to the banner, but we're gonna fix that. So let me get you guys turned around so you can see what I'm working on, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here's what it looks like now. And this red banner really bothered me, so I have this scrap piece of burlap that I'm gonna replace it with. And I'm just gonna trace around this, cut this out, and then we're gonna pull these off and glue the Scrabble tiles to this instead, which I get that it's gonna be really, really neutral. I'll see if that bothers me as much. If it does, we can always find a piece to put behind it or something colorful to put, like a piece of ribbon behind the Noel, which actually might be a good idea. I think I have. All right, I'm gonna have to find a piece of ribbon because I think that's a really, really great idea. See, you just shift as you go along. It'll come together. Okay, so as it turns out, that does not bother me. I thought it would. Having the Noel be so similar in color to the burlap, but with the blue that comes through the cracks, I think it looks all right. I think the neutral looks pretty good there, so I'm gonna continue on. Fun fact about me, I can't make bows. This is a dollar store, Dollar Tree gift card box that already had the bow intact. So I'm just going to recover this one and use it on my door, and I'll look like a genius because Lord knows I can't make these pretty little things. Okay, so these are the glitter packs from the Dollar Tree. So these actually are from the Dollar Tree. And I think what I want to do is put a little glitter along the edge of the Noel. That'll keep the pieces from fraying, and it'll give it a little bling there. And then I'm going to put a little glitter here as well. But what color? I don't think I want it to be too matchy-matchy. Might go with the hot pink. I do have black, silver, and white. The thing I like about this glitter is look how it's so fine. So fine. It's really pretty. Might just go with the white, I think. Give it like a little snow look. This already has a little snow on it from its previous incarnation, and I think if I do the white, it'll look really cute, and then just do a little white along the edges. And if I decide later I want a little color, I can always add some pink. So let's go with the white. I always mix my glitter with my Mod Podge, and if you haven't seen that tutorial, I'll put a link in the cards. Time to get rid of the wire. I decided to go with a jute rope for hanging instead of the wire, and I think I like it much better. Well, not sure I made it better. Wait, well, maybe it's a wash. Really wish I had rethought the glitter. Here's the thing, when you decide you're gonna glitter something, you can't take it back. So you need to be real sure about that. I like that I trimmed off the edge to keep it from unraveling. That part I like. Let me show you some pictures and you can decide for yourself. But the green was really bothering me. The green and the red were really bothering me. And I do like the color scheme better. I just don't know that my execution was quite as on par as where I wanted it to be. I don't know. Well, you decide for yourself. I don't know if I'm gonna hang this up or not. I wanted to put this out front of my house, but maybe I will. Maybe I won't. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like I said, I would show you my fails and my successes, and this might be one of the worst fails. Yeah, because it's not for me. I don't think it's for me. But anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please click the link below. And as for always, thanks for watching, everyone. Happy Junkin. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.